From an educational point of view, it can be very informative to look at the waveform of murmurs while listening to them. This is the waveform of the sounds heard on auscultation of a normal heart. The lub-dub of the first and second heart sounds is apparent. Note that the time between S1 and S2 systole is shorter than the time between S2 and the subsequent S1 diastole. This is always the case, and your brain will quickly learn to recognize this pattern subconsciously. This will allow you to tell if a murmur is systolic or diastolic in timing, even though you won't know how you're doing it. This is the characteristic waveform of the murmur produced in a case of aortic stenosis. The murmur occurs during systole. As you can see, the murmur of aortic stenosis is crescendo, decrescendo in shape. Note also the low amplitude of S2 in this situation. A soft S2 is an auscultatory finding associated with significant aortic stenosis. Listen to the recording again and try to identify the heart sounds distinct from the murmur. The systolic murmur of mitral regurgitation is relatively uniform across systole from S1 to S2. Its shape is described as pansystolic or holosystolic. Note the first heart sound is often soft in this situation, a feature of significant mitral regurgitation. The murmur of aortic regurgitation is diastolic, occurring early in diastole, immediately following the second heart sound. The murmur is decrescendo in shape.